Hey there, welcome to my fun time with Jesse, and today I'm here to talk about fun times. This is an AR15, and it shoots 556 NATO 1/9. It's a pretty good gun. I've had it for about a year now, and I haven't cleaned it yet. And it's pretty good. I always liked the safety. The safety features that come with this. Oh no! So it takes a magazine clip that takes 30 bullets, and then you drop it with this thing, this button here. This is the clip dropper, and then you hit I learned this on Call of Duty. You hit this button here, and that's what makes the bullet go. And then this button is what makes it go faster. I don't have like a cool scope on it yet, but you can you can like make believe what it's gonna look like. You put the scope here, and you'll be able to be like, ha ha, ha, sniper, ha ha. Yeah, it's really good. Shit, it's a really cool gun, and I like it. And that concludes my video review of the Smith and Wesson Springfield made in USA